morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about our new shirts we got in. So we'd like to have you subscribe to our channel. Please hit the like button and notify so you can stay current with our latest content. And here's our original shirt. It started the whole trend, and we even had this shirt before we were officially the Grumman Pilots Association. Back in the day, when I first moved to Hogan Field, Butler County, I was the only Grumman, and then Matt came, and then we had other Grummans start to arrive. And there was a really good RV building community at the airport, and they were getting kind of jealous that all these Grummans were showing up, and they're going, like, what are y'all doing, starting an organization and competing against us? Our answer was, hey, we can buy them faster than you can build them, and so we decided one day, just for giggles, we'd have some shirts made, and we picked that color because Matt and I thought that with the shirt being that color, it would hide the dirt you get on the shirt in the shop during the day. Boy, were we wrong, and that's why we went to the navy blue. But anyway, that's the shirt that started it all. It endorsed Hogan Field, which ticked off our airport manager of the time because he didn't like the name Hogan Field, even though the field was named by the Hogan family. And so we had these shirts, and we started wearing them, and we wore them all down to Bob Stewart's memorial when we emptied out his hangar to get those airplanes back to their customers. And that's when the idea for the GPA formed, melded, and a month later we had a website, we had our 501c, we had all our paperwork in place. So that's the story behind this first shirt. Now here's a story about how we came up with the shop monkey that we're using on our shirts. And by the way, on those first shirts we made, we sent 2 shirts to Bob and Gwen down in Alabama, and they had to call us on the phone and laugh their butts off because of the shop monkey. And here's how we came up with the shop monkey. One night we were working at the hangar. Matt and I had scaffolding up as we were adding the second floor where the apartment's going to be in T6, and his wife asked, what do you call an A&P in training? And at this time, Matt was in training. And I said, well, the shop I learned in under John Maestre, we were called a goon. John would say, I'll have one of my goons do it, or I'll get a goon to fix that for you. And she goes, I don't want my husband being called a goon. So I went, I don't know. And I looked up, and Matt was coming down from the second floor, swinging through the scaffolding to get to the ground. And I went, I don't know. We could always call him a shop monkey. We all laughed, and the name stuck instantly. And that's how we came up with shop monkey. And as you see, the lovely and talented Luann is holding up our new polo shirts. They're in white with blue lettering. Stand by. And then we also have denims in short sleeve. Come walking closer so I can zoom in on the logo. And as you can see, embroidered in bright blue thread, we have Grumman Pilots above the pocket. That's the denim shirts. All by Port Authority. Thank you, Luann. And then you've heard me talk about a special shirt for Oshkosh. These are our safety yellow or safety green, you pick a choice. And they have the shop monkey on the front, and on the back, dun dun dun, we have the Grumman Pilots Association logo. So these will make finding folks at Oshkosh this year very easy. And this was a request for hot weather to have a cooler shirt in a cooler color, so we got these in ice gray. Again, shop monkey on the front, and in brilliant blue on the back, we have again, Grumman Pilots Association. All right. And then in sky with brilliant blue, we have the shop monkey. And then on the other side, again, no surprise, in brilliant blue, Grumman Pilots Association. All right, thank you. Now, we've used green as a lettering color before, but here's a green shirt in Kelly green to celebrate the Irish here at Hogan Field. And it's a shop monkey on the front. And on the back, no surprise, a Grumman Pilots Association. Thank you, Luann. And as Luann says under her breath, her favorite is the azalea or the pink. They do have a safety pink, but it was way too bright. So again, shop monkey on the front and then white on the back. Grumman Pilots. There you go. We're having some of our more popular shirts redone. We're doing the navy, again in white like you've seen them. And on the back we have the Grumman Pilots Association. Ta-da! Again, shop monkey with a red on the front and on the back. Dun, dun, dun. Grumman Pilots Association. Now, we talked about an event shirt. So here is the original color shirt. It's called Old Gold. Has a shop monkey on the front. Show me the back. It has the Grumman Pilots Association, and then we have on each sleeve, on the left sleeve, we have Yankee Aviation, Grumman Specialist, and on the right sleeve, it says, dun, 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 Grumman Pilots, a GPA event, and 2021. So this is our event shirt for this year with again, the old gold and white. And for those of you who say, well, I don't want white, we did the same shirt in old gold and we put the original green. This is a very close copy of our original shirt. The sleeves are different, but the front and back are very similar, except we don't have Hogan Field on the back of this one. Again, there's Yankee Aviation. And finally, Grumman Pilots event. There we go. Now here's a picture of our original shirt. You'll notice on the left sleeve it says Yankee Aviation and our phone number. On the right sleeve it says www.grummanpilotsassociation.com. And then on the back you have Grumman Pilots Association, and then you have Hogan Field in Hamilton, Ohio. And then we have one more surprise shirt for you. So we have a lot of people complain they don't like having the big logo on the back. It catches on the floor when they're sliding. So we have a new Shop Monkey shirt. Turn it around. It's in old gold, our original color, but it says Grumman Pilots on one breast and Shop Monkey on the other. And these are the cheapest of all the shirts we ordered. So, and as a real quick review, here are all the colors and combinations we have in the new shirts. And we also have some other interesting items we'll talk about when we're finished running through the shirts. That's a pretty fair number of shirts, but we also have some new items. We have the water bottles that we ordered, 22 ounces. We have the 9-ounce stainless steel coffee cups, and then for your key fob or as a door prize, we have the medallions made out of antique silver. And all of these are available on our website in the store. So as you can see, that's a lot of shirts and a lot of new Grumman Pilots items. So we look forward to seeing you at the June event, and it should be a really good time. So bring money and get ready to have a lot of fun. We'll see you then. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman while wearing your new t-shirt. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.